In this tutorial, I will show you how you can make money online by simply copying and pasting some text. This will work anywhere in the world and it requires no writing skills or any equipment of any sort to work for. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, the phrase make money online will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. Okay, so today guys, I will show you how copying and pasting text can actually get you paid. And before we get to the sites that will pay us, you guys will first need to head over to a website called easinarticles.com. As the name of the site suggests, this is a site where you can find the thousands upon thousands of articles and blog posts, which of course doesn't make it that special. But what does make it quite special is the fact that it gives you full rights to do whatever you want with the articles in question. You can claim you are the author. You can edit them however you wish, you can sell them and make money off of them, and so on. This bit of info is of course hugely important for us, and this is why I said you will be making money by literally copying and pasting some text. Anyways, when you come on here below, you will be able to see all of the different article categories this website has to offer. They range from arts and entertainment, business, computers, health and fitness, investing, pets, reference and education, and so on. In short, you have a lot of categories to choose from. Let's say that for the sake of this video, we want self-improvement articles. Now I am just using this as an example, so keep that in mind. You can choose any category that you want to. In any case, check out what happens when I click on self-improvement here. It will show me all of the subcategories to choose from. So not only do we have so many categories, but also many more subcategories as well. And let's say that I go along with the inspirational here. When I click on that, it will take me straight over to this page here, where I can find all of these different professionally written articles. And the first page alone, we would have to like 10 to 15 of them, if not more. Now, take a look at this guys. When you scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to go to the next page. And as you can see, there are over 700 other pages for just this subcategory alone. So if you have like 15 articles per page, then that's 10,000 or so articles, which is just mind-blowing. And you can see that my estimate is actually quite correct because on the right hand side here, it tells us that the inspirational subcategory has 14,000 articles. So I wasn't that far off whatsoever. Now just think about it. If you find some sites that pay like $5 per article, you have the potential to make thousands upon thousands of dollars from articles in the subcategory alone. This shows you just how much potential this has to get you paid big time. Furthermore, you can never run out of these articles since not only are there so many of them, but new ones are being published by the day. In any case, your goal now is to simply open some of these articles. Here's one I will be using as an example. Now, when you open up an article of your own choosing, once again, it doesn't have to be this one in particular. You will want to rewrite it. Now, as I said, you do have the rights to do whatever you want with this article. But you do want to rewrite it because then it will be a unique article, which of course adds originality and thus always you to make more money off of it. And so since you want to rewrite the article, but of course you don't want to do that manually, your next step is to come over to quillbot.com. This is a software that is for free and can rewrite the previously shown article for you. Now this is a bit of a catch with this. As you can see, when I pasted a random part of the article here, it shows that there is a limit as to how many characters you can write at once. But they shouldn't be too big of a deal because it will take you way less time to have this tool rewrite the article for you. Then for you to do it yourself, all you have to do is just copy smaller parts of the article instead of the whole article. Paste them in here, then click on paraphrase for this to rewrite them for you. And then rinse and repeat until you have rewritten the entire article. Now, once you have the entire article rewritten, you would want to check for mistakes. Quillbot, in my opinion, is one of the best tools for rewriting articles. It's far better, for example, than spinbot.com, which I've shown you in some of my previous videos. But Quillbot is nevertheless still a software, so there will be a few errors here and there. So you should invest 5 to 10 minutes of your own time to correct all the mistakes. And when you do, once you're certain the article has no mistakes, then you want to head over to the next platform, one that will actually pay us for the article. The first site I have for you that will pay you for those articles, and yes, there are multiple platforms I will show you, is this one called Conquer.io. Now, what this is a freelancing platform. And the reason we are using it instead of Fiverr, for example, is because it's far less competitive. And thus, you'll be able to make more money by selling those articles. If you try to create a gig on Fiverr, meanwhile, since there are so many freelancers already offering their services, chances are you won't be able to get that many sales, if any. Anyhow, what you need to do when you first come on this platform is click on Make Money right here so that you can sign up. And then you'll just have to enter in your username, email, and password before clicking on I'm not a robot and on the sign up button down below. Now, once you log into your own account, you will want to create a gig like some of these people have about writing articles. And as you can see, some people sell their writing skills for like $5 most of the time, as will you. This might not seem like a lot of money, but keep in mind that the aspirational subcategory alone that I went for has 14,000 articles. So if we sell all of those articles for like $5, that's well over $60,000 made. So this can, as you can see, make you a lot of money. Whenever someone reaches out to you wanting an article of some sort, you will just come over to this platform, find one, and copy it. What you will choose depends, of course, on what your customer is asking of you. You will then rewrite the article using Quillbot before sending it back to your customer and getting paid for it. However, as I said before, Conquer is not the only platform I would recommend where you can sell your writing skills. Another one I really like is called Seoclerk.com. In my opinion, Seoclerk is actually the better of the two. But I'd still recommend you to use both of them to maximize the results, since in the end, both are good platforms and both will get you paid. Now, what you'll do on Seoclerk is similar to Conquer.io. So you want to simply create an account by clicking on join in the upper right corner. Then once you log in, you will want to once again create a gig like some of these people have and get paid for those articles that you didn't even have to write in the first place. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.